Okay, welcome to our next video on finding the equation of a circle, whereby the center of the circle is not at 0, 0. Instead, the center of the circle is at any other point a, b, where a and b are the values of x and y, such that a is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. We've done a couple of examples of this. I would like you to pause the video and try question 5 and question 6. So pause the video and try question 5 and question 6. Okay, hope you've tried them. I'm going to just quickly go through question 6 for you. We've been asked to find the equation of a circle, and we know that the equation of a circle is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to radius squared. Okay, where a and b are the center of the circle. Now, this as the center, so I've got x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1, because the value of y is that, equals to radius square. Now, the radius here is root 31. So we just put root 31 there, and we close in a bracket, and then we square. Okay. Now, we just basically simplify. So I've got x minus 3, you squaring that, plus y minus 1, you squaring that, equals to root 31 times by root 31. Now, remember, using surds, root a times by root a is always equals to a. So root 31, if you're squaring it, it means you're timesing it by itself. So root 31 times by root 31 is basically going to be 31, because root a times root a is basically going to be a. So this is going to be 31. So that's the equation of that circle. Okay. I'm going to pause your video quickly and mark your work. So pause the video and mark your work. These are the answers down here. Okay, hope you've done well on that. Moving on to the next ones, I would like you to pause the video again and try question 7 and question 8. Pause the video and try question 7 and question 8. Okay, hope you try them. I'm just going to do question 7 for you. We've been asked to find the coordinates of the center of the circle given by this equation here. Now, when you find the coordinates are basically a and b. So what you need to do, remember that x minus a squared plus y minus b squared will always give us r squared. So what you need to do, equate this first bracket to this one here. So you're going to say that x minus a is equals to x minus 6. Now, x is on both sides, so you can just take away that. So you end up with negative a equals to negative 6. Timesing both sides by negative 1 to make a the subject, we got a going to be equals to 6. So a is 6 there. And using the very same method, b would be equals to 4. Okay. So the center of the circle is going to be 6 and 4. So that's going to be that. Okay. Now, find the radius of the circle and give your answer in the form of p root 5. Now, the radius of the circle, if I was to square the radius of the circle, I would get 20. It means that if I square root 20, I'm getting this one here. Okay, so let's see how to do that step by step. So what you need to say that if you square the radius, you're going to get 20. So 20 is not the radius, 20 is r squared. Okay, so r squared is basically what 20 is. Okay. Now find the radius of the circle and give your answer in the form of p times root 5, where p is a number. Okay. So now to find radius, I'm going to square root what? The 20. So that's going to be 20. Root 20 now. Now, we've been told to put the form of p root 5. It basically means that I now need to use my surds, thinking about two numbers that I times to get 20. Now, those two numbers will be 4 and 5. It will be a good thing if one of them is a square number. Okay. Now, simplifying that, we got root 4 times by root 5. Using surds, you are allowed to separate them if you have got times under there. So going back again to that, root 20 is the same as root 4 times 5. 4 is a square number, so it's a good thing because I can simplify it. 5 is basically an irrational number. Root 5 is a irrational number, or you can just say 5 is a prime number. So definitely I cannot find its square. So root 4 is going to be equals to 2, and root 5 we can't simplify it further. So it's 2 root 5. So clearly P is going to be 2. Okay? Because this root 5 is over there and P is therefore there. It's going to be 2 on that. Okay? By supposing your answer then and finding and marking your answer. Okay, hope you've done well on that one. So that's going to be the end of our session now on finding the equation of a circle. We're going to move on to deeper things after this video. Thank you.